Okay, this is your homework. We did this in class, so hopefully that helps. Okay, we got to here on most classes. So we always do additive inverse first and distribute negative 5m plus negative 40, and this is a negative 2m, equal to distribute negative 12m, and that's a negative plus a negative 40, and bring down the 5m, right? And then each side here, you can combine like terms. So this side here, these two are alike, you get negative 7m, then bring down that plus negative 40, right? On this side here, you can combine the 12m and the 5m, you get negative 7m plus also a negative 40. Make 0 to the variable by adding 7m, that's 0 plus negative 40 is negative 40, and that's negative 40. This is infinite solution. Okay. Here, additive inverse, plus a negative, plus a negative, plus a negative. Okay, distribute these two together, you get 8 plus negative 8m plus negative and a negative is a 20. Combine these together, well, yeah, you can combine these together, you get 28 plus negative 8m. On this side here, you got these two, that's the same, so that's negative 8m. You combine them to get negative 8m, that's 28, and you just bring it down, negative 8m plus 28. Let's make 8m equal to 0 plus 8m plus 8m, that's 0. That's 28 equals to 28. Infinite solution. Okay. And then here, do additive inverse, plus a negative, plus a negative, plus a negative, plus a negative. Okay, and there's an invisible 1 there. So distribute this to this, you get negative 3y. That to that, you get a positive 4. Add the negative 20. Okay, 6y, negative 9y, you get negative 3y plus negative 16. And then combine on this side, you can combine these as like terms. You get negative 3y plus negative 16 equals to negative 3y plus negative 16. And then add 3y, you get 0 there, negative 16. Oh, this again is infinite solution. Infinite solution. Okay, here, additive inverse, you would multiply all of it by 12. Okay, divide that, you get 3. 3 times 3 is 9c. You get that, plus a negative 96 equals to 2c minus 9c. You get negative 7c there. Equals to, that's negative 96. Divide by negative 7. Divide by negative 7. I don't think it goes in evenly, so your answer is C equals to 96 over 7, one solution. Right. Multiply all this by 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, additive inverse. Divide that as 4. 4 times 1 is negative. There's a negative there, so that's a negative 4. That goes into 1. 1 times 5 is 5h, plus multiply that together, you get negative 48. Add 48 to both sides, you get 44 equals to 5h. Divide by 5. H is equal to 44 over 5. This is called one solution. Okay. here you would multiply all by the common denominator. The common denominator is 8, so times it by 8. That goes into 1 time, that's 5x. That goes into 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. 6x plus 1. Cannot do anything to that. That's a negative 40. Distribute. Get 24 plus 4. Bring down the 24x plus negative 40 equals to 5x there. Combine these, they're alike. Nope, that's not it. These two are alike. You combine them to get a negative 36. So these two gets a negative 36. Make 24 equal to 0 by minusing 24. You get 19x negative equals to negative 30. Divide by negative 19. X equals to positive 30 over 19. And that's how you do that one. And the last one, the common denominator is 10. So you multiply all these by 10. Divide, that's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Leave everything inside the same. This should be the same. You do additive inverse because it's a minus. Plus, multiply that, you get 60. Divide, you get 1. 1 times y is 1y, or just y. Distribute, right? Distribute next. You get 12y plus negative 18 plus 60. Combine these two because they're alike. That equals to 1y. 42 positive. 12y equals to 1y. Subtract 12y. You get negative 11y. Then divide by negative 11. Can't go in evenly, so your answer is just negative 42 over, and that's one solution, right? That's how you do that. Okay, and that's it.